we have the following questions. We are told to integrate respect to x. Okay, the first one we have a rational function, which is the x5 plus the x squared over x to the power 5. Okay, so that's the solution to the first one. So what we're going to do in this place is to do the algebra for the first one and introduce your algebra sign. So this implies 5 over the denominator, x to the power 5, then plus x over x to the power 5, and then minus that 2x squared over x to the power 5. Then you can close the brackets. So that's the first step, denominator to divide of the items, the numerator. So we're going to have this form. We're still doing algebra. This will be 5 times x power minus 5k plus. We apply indices for this second one. That will be x to the power 1 minus 5. That's x to the power minus 4, and then minus the third one. You can also apply indices. The law of exponents. You have x to the power 2. You have x to the power 5. At the denominator, just apply the rules of exponents. Now we got to power x to the power 3. X to the power minus 3. That is 2 minus 5. That will give minus 3. Then close the bracket also. Don't forget to put your dx by this side or by this side. So then we can now begin to do the integration of each of the items. So this will be 5 x to the power minus 5 plus 1, that's minus 4. 4. Then plus this one, minus 4 plus 1, that's x to the power minus 3 over minus 4k. Then minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2 over minus 2, and then plus the first times of integration. That's what we have there. If you are new on this platform, if you are here for the first time, please smash the watermarks on this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't stop there. You need to share the links across all your different platforms. Do it now. Procrastination is the thief of time. Share it massively to your friends, your classmates, your classmates. Thank you for doing that. And also, if you need one-on-one tutoring or executive tutoring on any of your courses, just check the description of this video and copy my email and send me a message via the email, or you can also chat me up on the WhatsApp. Thank you for doing that. Then the next thing to do now is to tidy things up. Just try to remove the minus. So this will equal to, I'm going to isolate the numbers. So this is going to be minus 5 over 4. And this minus, I'm going to remove it, which will be times 1 over. Minus is 1 over x to the power 4. And then if plus is minus, so become minus here. And this will equal to what? Minus 1 over 3. Okay. Then if you remove the minus exponents, so you're going to have it at the denominator. And then here also minus, it becomes a positive, and then these two cancel. It cancel itself. So then you have 1 over what? X to the power 2. And that's that on that case. Okay. For you to know it more than me, then you have to keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you. Keep practicing. Soft question. So this second one, I've converted the statements to mathematical notation. That is the step 1. Then the next thing to do now is to remove the fraction. And don't forget, this radical square root of x. It means this one implies this, and that's what we're going to use. So it's going to be 1 over x to the power half plus 3x over x to the power half minus 5 x to the power 5 over x to the power whatever 2. So don't forget your integral sign. So that's what we have now. So this will be equal to, if you remove this 1 over, remove the 1 over, so we are going to have x to the power minus half. We're going to have x to the power minus half, and then plus. And this one, you can use the law of exponents. There is 1 here. So that means you're having 3, 1 minus half, which is what? Which is x, x half. 1 minus half will be half, then minus. Do the same thing also for this one. So that will be equal to 5 x to the power 5 minus half. Then you can close the brackets. So then let's quickly get this one. 5 minus 1 over 2. That will be 9 over 2. So this is 9 over 2. So then we can begin to do the integration. Half plus 1 as x to the power half over half. 3, and then half plus 1 as a 3 over 2. And don't forget the standard, that will be 3 over 2. Okay, and then minus 5x. Let's move into the integration. If you add 1 to 9 over 2 plus 1, that will give you 11 over 2. Over 2 over 11 over 2 plus c. And that's that. You just need to tidy up the fraction. Just need to tidy up the fraction. Okay, do the algebra. Okay, I want to tell you this is very simple. But it's not just simple, because it becomes simple when you practice. As I always say, nothing happens by chance. If you want to be graded equals, whether you call it calculus or you call it integer 1 or 1 or 2, you need to practice. The better your chance of having A. Okay? The better your chance. You do. So this will be equal to, I told you when you have a fraction at the denominator, there is 1 here. So it's going to flip upside down. That will be this one. Okay, for this one also, it's going to be 2 over 3 times the 3, and then x 3 over 2. So this one and this one we cancel. And then also, this one will be minus. This 1 over 2, that will be 2. And that will be 2 times 5, that's 10. X to the power 11. I think we can leave it that way. 2, we have x, then plus 2 times this one, and then minus 10, x to the power 11 over 2, and then plus c. And that's finished. Don't forget to smash the watermarks on the video, subscribe to the channel, share, like, and subscribe.